Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake. Let's start with the foundation, a perfect crust. You'll need 1½ cups of finely crushed graham crackers mixed with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, incorporate 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a delicious, sturdy base for your creamy dessert, ensuring every slice holds its shape beautifully. A well-made crust truly elevates the entire cheesecake experience. Next, we craft the rich, velvety filling. Begin with 2 pounds of full-fat cream cheese, ensuring it's softened to room temperature for a smooth consistency. Beat it with 1½ cups of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Gradually add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of sour cream and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This combination yields a wonderfully rich and perfectly balanced cheesecake filling. Baking cheesecake requires a gentle touch to prevent cracks. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan, then add hot water to create a water bath. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Crucially, cool the cheesecake slowly in the oven with the door ajar, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours for optimal texture. Finally, let's talk about presentation and serving your masterpiece. Once thoroughly chilled, your cheesecake is ready for delightful toppings. Consider fresh berries, a vibrant fruit compote, or a simple, tangy sour cream topping for an extra layer of flavor. For the cleanest slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This ensures every piece looks as perfect as it tastes, ready to impress your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.